Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study ancient history for UPSC Prelims step by step. We will cover essential resources and effective strategies to master this crucial subject. Ancient history often accounts for 10 to 15 questions in the prelims, making it a high-scoring section if prepared well. Starting with a clear understanding of the syllabus is your first and most important step. This ensures you focus only on relevant topics. After building your foundation with Insert, move to a comprehensive reference book. R.S. Sharma's India's Ancient Past is highly recommended for its detailed coverage. Concentrate on understanding the evolution of society, economy, and polity. Don't just memorize facts, grasp the underlying concepts and their interconnections. This approach helps in answering analytical questions that often appear in the examination. Effective note-making is vital for efficient revision. Summarize key events, dates, and personalities in your own words. Practice is paramount. Solve numerous multiple-choice questions, especially from past UPSC Prelims papers. This familiarizes you with the question patterns and helps in time management. Consistent revision, perhaps 2 to 3 times before the exam, solidifies your understanding and recall. To enhance retention, try to link ancient history with broader themes or even contemporary issues where relevant. Visual learning, using maps for ancient sites or empires, can significantly improve recall. Do not fall into the trap of mere rote memorization. The UPSC often tests conceptual clarity, so understanding the why behind events is more beneficial than just knowing the what. Stay consistent and confident in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.